Boylston. Entering Boylston. No smoking, please. Doors will open on the right.
This is
Boylston. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle. Next stop, Arlington. Entering Arlington. Doors will open on the right.
This is
Arlington. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle. Next stop, Copley. Copley. Doors will open on the right. JA Medical Center.
This is
Copley. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle. Next stop, Heinz Convention Center. Entering Heinz Convention Center. Doors will open on the right.
this is
Heinz Convention Center. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle. Next stop, Kenmore. Entering Kenmore. Doors will open to the left. Change here to Boston College and Riverside.
Did you catch like the train today?
this is
Kenmore. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle.
It's so funny that I'm seeing you right
Next stop, St. Mary's Street.
I was gonna wait. Yeah, I'll get off at St. Paul here. No, only if we keep it up. Because some covers like actually own it, which is but a lot of people don't. That's very. Students can't use the wrong business.
Entering St. Mary's Street. Doors will open on the right.
They have big lockers.
this is
St. Mary's Street. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle. This train will run express to Coolidge Corner.
Well, that's very.
Yeah, I don't bring my own car. So I'm using only breakfast cups. But I'm planning on getting right now.
Next stop, Coolidge Corner.
That's not your heart that you. More expensive than I like it to be. Yeah. And it's too deep. How much, if you don't want me asking? It's like almost 1,400 per room. Really? Yeah, because I came in the summer, everything else was taken. Impossible to get things, especially from.
I mean, like I love seeing people, but also I want my space.
Mentally it's so much better.
Yeah.
Which were healthy.
Entering Coolidge Corner. No smoking, please. Doors will open on the right.
You know what I mean? They're way
This
down.
is
Coolidge Corner. The destination of this train is Cleveland Circle.
Face coverings are required on MBTA vehicles and in stations.